Hi, we are Compylo and this video is regarding the interview questions of Azure Analysis Services. How to give access to groups of people in Azure Analysis Services. So to give access to a group of people, it's advised to navigate to portal.azure.com from where you can click on Azure Active Directory. Once you click on Azure Active Directory, you get an option of users, groups, external identities, roles and administration, administrative unit, etc. shown on the left hand side of the screen. Now from here you have to click on groups and there you get multiple options like add, manage tenant, what's new, preview features, etc. So under overview section, we get name, tenant ID and primary domain, license, etc. So under this, we can copy the tenant ID. After this, we can navigate to groups under all groups option. And if we want to create a new group, we can do so. Along with that, we have different options like download the group information and refresh or delete. Also, under this, we get an option of object ID, which can be copied from here and used for giving the access to different groups. Now, if we want to create a new group, we get different options related to group type, group name, and group description. Under group type, we have security and Microsoft 365. Once we have created the group in Azure portal under Azure Active Directory, we can navigate to our tabular model. And under the roles, we can click on roles. It will open the role manager where we will get options shown on the screen like name, permission, description, and we can either create a new role and copy and delete it. So under the member section shown on the screen, so we have to click it. Now under the member section, we can follow this method obj colon object id at the rate tenant id. So that is how we grant access to a group of users in Azure Analysis Services. Thank you.